someone, missing someone, missing someone.
Hey dolls, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you're not new, welcome back, dolls. I go by the Fashion Doll, and we are doing a wig review on this Amazon hair called Joedir. It is a pretty honey blonde color. It has a lace on the parting. It has a comb in the back. It has two combs on the side as well. It is a lace front synthetic wig. I believe it is 30 inches long. This color is so beautiful. It's just giving me Beyonce vibes. So I did do a review on this hair before. I will put that in the description box if you wanted to check out that video. This wig is very fitted, so if you have a big head, it is not for you. It is not big head friendly. It is pretty tight on the head, so I would definitely stay away from this wig if you have a big head. I used the Fit Me powder. I did not like how the powder looked on my part, so I did go in with some concealer, and of course you can use any concealer that you have that matches your scalp. So that looked much better. We about to go in with our Got To Be Glue spray. Remember, got to be glued. Do not use Gorilla Glue, okay? We ain't trying to have one of them moments. No, we done been through enough this year. So I'm using that Got To Be Glue spray to spray that lace down. This wig is great for the summer. It's just a quick pick up and go wig. It's not an everyday wig. It is synthetic. It's longer in length, so it will tangle. It does tangle because I had this in a black color. It did tangle. It lasts for, a month or a little over a month. As long as you don't wear it every day, you'll be good. So right now I'm just about to cut the lace. Y'all, for some reason, I don't know why, I just want to say bald head hoe shit, bald head hoe shit. Alright, so now I am preparing my little baby hairs. Nothing special, just one swoop, two swoop, and I'm done. I'm just simple. Keep it moving, you know what I'm saying? Slick it down with whatever it is you use. I use edge control. I don't know, I can't get it with the mousse, but now I'm taking some mousse and I'm putting it on my hair just to maintain that waviness, I don't want it too poofy. So I'm just putting some mousse on it. So this is what the parting looks like. As you can see, put a little more concealer, and bam, voila, something quick and simple. Really cute. Like I said, I love the color. The length is pretty long. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.